Oh shit!
No! Yeah.
Just a little clip.
Why are you mad at me?
I said no, ma'am. Tear your butt up.
How did you get up there? That is not a place dogs go.
You gonna sit over there now?
Alright, now lose it. Just lose it. Go crazy.
Tucker, why are you sitting like a human?
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
It's the final brain cell.
All right, little guy, just...
Get the fuck out of my way, bro.